episode of Addicted to Fishing 12, and today it is October the 25th, and we're going to be fishing here at the creek. Because I've been getting a lot of requests for some more creek fishing videos. I'm not sure why you guys like them, because I pretty much just catch creek chubs, but I mean, it's still fun to catch on ultralight rods, but here you guys go. Stay tuned, and I hope you guys like this episode. Oh gosh, here we go again. But on this side, we actually have bigger rocks that we can use. Let's start flipping in the water. Up there to there. Alright, here we go. We go here. Wait, no, let's go here. Whoa, that didn't work out. Alright. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm gonna have to rethink this. Here to here. To here. To here. I'll just do this quick. Alright, here we go. Oh! Oh my god. My god, that's cold. That is freezing. Fish has already taken it. Whoa, there's a fish. That's a small one. I snagged it. Oh no. I snagged him in the gills. That's not good. Oh man. I hope this guy survives. So I don't want hate comments telling that I'm killing the fish or whatever. But I'm sorry, Chub. Sorry. It's okay. He swam off. Hopefully that doesn't affect his life. There he is. Small one. There we go. Another chub. Here he is right there. Nice chub. So he's gonna go back. Alright, I'll be back. Look at this tree, guys. You don't want to mess with this tree. Look at the spikes on that thing. That would not be fun to climb. Alright, so this tree fell. Oh crap. This tree fell over the winter. That one fell too. So 2 trees fell. And look at this. This used to be my path to get down to the creek. Now I have to go a whole different way. Alright. I'm always afraid there's something like a snake or raccoon or something lives under there. So I'm like freaking out whenever I go over this thing. Alright. Here we go. Hopefully there's nothing under here. Alright. 1 foot up. Toss my rod over there. I don't care if it breaks. It's only about 20 bucks or something. Alright. Alright, got over it. Say hi.
Ooh. Dolls.
Dolls.
And Play-Doh.
And Play-Doh.
And chocolates.
And chocolates. Gotta kiss goodbye. Love you.
Love you. My pink and him beard is so tickled.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Say hi, Mags.
Hi, Max.
Off to the zoo.
Off to the zoo.
Everybody took a wild west. A state that's untouchable.
That face. Ooh. We just got a picture of Mrs. Frosty right there. Maggie, do you like Mrs. Frosty?
Yeah!
That's a big tree. We're gonna go look at the fish later. Really cool. You've said that before, and I have never seen that before, ever. There's so many fish in this lake right here, but you can only see it during the day. Yeah, there's some more. Wow, there's a whole bunch of them. I get to push in the cart duty. This thing. Yay! I'm recording. Look what's in the lake. Largemouth bass. This is me if I'm a cat. Look at this. Oh wait, you can't even see him. It's too dark in here.
I guess that's the only one too.
Oh, you can't see him. Oh well. This is my sister's favorite.
Turn around, who is it?
It's Elsa and Anna from Frozen. Oh shoot. On the carousel. Maggie, look. Walking out of the zoo. Hey, did you have fun?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.